Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the mobile data on your iPhone 17 Air. So first, we're gonna try and turn off our Wi-Fi and enable mobile data. So what I'm talking about is we're gonna go into the control center right here by swiping down on the right side of the screen. And here we need to open up this folder. So now we need to disable our Wi-Fi. It will not be completely disabled, but at least it won't be connected. Now we need to enable mobile data and we need to make sure that it's not gray and that it's actually green. Now we can leave this setting. And what can we do next? We can check the mobile data and the airplane mode. So now we know that our mobile data is enabled, but we need to make sure that our airplane mode is disabled too, because sometimes it can actually cause the issues. Now, if you want to reset your network, then go over to the control center, go over here and enable the airplane mode for a couple of seconds. As you guys can see, the Wi-Fi is completely off, the mobile data and the personal hotspot is just unavailable. And now we can turn off the airplane mode, turn off the Wi-Fi, and check if our mobile data is fixed. If not, then what can we do? We can update our carrier settings. So sometimes in the settings, let me go back to the main page here, you guys should be here. Now we just want to go over to the general, so it's in the second section right up top, and here we want to click on about. Now if you do not see anything pop up like to update your carrier settings, then you are good to go, and that means you do not have any updates to do. Sometimes it's just unavailable for some type of carriers. So for an example, AT&T and Verizon support this, but if you're using something outside of the US, then you may not have this option. Now we can go and reset our network settings, and we just go back to the general. Now we need to go over and scroll all the way down here in the general to transfer or reset iPhone and click on reset. Now here we will reset the network settings, and of course we are using an eSIM, so we can try and delete all eSIMs and then configure them again. But that's a time-taking process, so all you have to do is reset the network settings. It will reset all of your Wi-Fi passwords, and also it will reset the connection between the mobile data and the signal, so basically everything. Now after that, what you guys can do is power off and power on your device. So hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Now slide to power off the device, and let's click on OK, and now our device is turning off. So as you guys can see, now it's turned off, and now we wait a couple of seconds before clicking anything, and we just click the power button. So we click and hold it until we see the Apple logo appear. Now we can let go of the side button, and we wait for our iPhone to turn back on. So I'll see you guys in a second. Now after turning on our phone back, let's enter the password, and here we are. Now what we can do is, as I've mentioned before, we can reset all of our eSIMs. So we need to go over to the settings and here general. Now scroll all the way down until you guys see transfer or reset iPhone, and here click on the reset. Now click on delete all eSIMs, and all you will have to do is set up the eSIM again. So you need a QR code for it. You need to search for it in your carrier's app because it may vary for you. I have the QR codes on the main page and you may have them hidden a bit. So you need to find them on your own and then just scan them with your device or transfer it to a different iPhone. Now, if nothing helped, then what's left to do is contact your mobile carrier for any outages or anything that might be disrupting your mobile data. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. I hope you fixed your mobile data, and if you did, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment on what do you want the video next. So I'll see you in the next one.